In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zendesk subdomain. This is an important task if you're looking to rebrand or simply streamline your customer support appearance. First, there's an essential thing to note. You must be the account owner to make this change. Zendesk restricts this ability solely to the account holder to maintain security and integrity of the account. If you're not the account owner, be sure to reach out to whoever is and work with them to follow these steps. Now, assuming you are the account owner, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the correct setting within Zendesk's interface. To do this, you'll head over to the Admin Center. Once you're there, locate the Account menu option. This is where the account-wide settings, including subdomain settings, are housed. Next, find the Appearance, or sometimes it's labeled as Branding section. This is where you can customize how your Zendesk account looks and subsequently plays a significant role in shaping your customer's first impression when they visit your support page. Once you're in the Appearance or Branding section, scroll down carefully until you reach the Subdomain section. You should see an option clearly marked for changing your subdomain. Click on the button or link that says Change Your Subdomain. It's crucial to proceed with caution here because your subdomain is essentially the web address your customers will be directed to when they're accessing your support page. It forms part of your company's identity online. Now, when choosing a new subdomain, type in the desired name that reflects your brand or purpose more accurately. But keep in mind the restrictions Zendesk has in place. You cannot use underscores or any special characters. Simplicity and clarity in your subdomain can contribute to easier recall for your customers, so aim for a straightforward name that aligns with your brand voice or company name. Once you've decided on a fitting subdomain, go ahead and enter it in the provided field. After entering your new subdomain, Zendesk will likely prompt you to confirm this change. It is at this point that you need to double-check that everything is correct. Subdomain changes are critical and should be carefully considered because this is what your customers will need to use. After you're satisfied and have confirmed the change, Zendesk takes it from there and updates your settings. Remember, this can take a little time to propagate, so be patient if changes aren't immediately visible. Congratulations, you've just successfully changed your Zendesk subdomain. By doing so, you're reinforcing the brand identity of your support center, ensuring it aligns with your overall messaging. Thank you for watching, and hopefully, this video has been helpful in navigating through the steps. If you have other questions or need further clarification on this process, feel free to reach out in the comments section below.